Hey C, it's Casey here, and first thing that I wanted to do on this channel is give a sort of message. A message to everybody that I might have referred to this channel, anybody that has found this channel. If you know me in real life, if you know anybody who may know me in real life, please do not inform them of this channel or anything that I am doing here. This is strictly private. If you know about this, I am trusting you not to tell what is happening here. And just, I would like to keep this confidential, alright? So I guess that's peace. For this 1 minute intro segment, I'm not here to vlog. Vlog my dog. Okay. Look at my dog. First thing is about my dog. 60 frames per second doggo. Here I've got him. He's sleeping right now. He's really warm and smelly, and it's cold in here. So I'm just watching the ear bounce. I didn't know this camera could do 60 FPS, but apparently it can. This is weird. This. Ooh. It looks sped up right now. I should stop laughing about the camera and just focus on my doggo. I've got green walls. Just kidding. It's like a little bit of a thing that I've set up. This is, I guess, a setup tour. It's literally just a couch that I sleep on. And it's also kind of ratty. And I've got this blanket covering it, but the blanket fell off and I didn't notice it, so. What can you do? There's like a giant 100-pound dog on this, so I can't exactly fix it. What are you gonna do? My hair, like, for real. Like, this is the second time I've had problems with my hair. My hair is just a problem. I'm just gonna leave it like that. This video is too long. I'm not doing anything in it except for playing with the dog. Which would probably be what the title of this would be if it weren't the very first video. Oh, by the way, I should probably talk about things on the channel, but... Okay, first things first. Let's talk upload schedule. I'm gonna be doing guaranteed video every week, with the possibility of maybe another upload in between them. And every weekly upload is gonna be on a Monday, so that I can reliably get those out and have like a goal to set to having a video on Monday. Another thing, if you're coming here for vlogs, you're in the right place. If you're coming here for a lot of other things, you're probably gonna have to wait for it, because I am not up to putting multiple things up right now. Yeah. It's gonna be great. This channel's gonna be great. I'm gonna leave it at that, because if I try to think of anything else to say, this is gonna be a 10-minute video.